Alright everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an audio file into your web page. At the first step, you have to put your audio file into your web folder. And the second step, you have to add your audio into your web page by audio tag. Let's close the tag. And also we have some attributes like controls. The controls attribute allows us to control our audio, and controls attribute is a boolean attribute that doesn't need true or false. Let's see it. This is our audio file. Let's play this. We can increase and decrease the audio volume from here. And also we have another attribute like muted. It mutes our audio file. Look, it mutes automatically. And also we can unmute it. And we have another attribute like loop and autoplay. This was our tutorial about how to add an audio file into our web page. Thank you guys for your attention, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. We will see you at the next video.